Good morning, guys. I hope you're all good and you are okay. So today is day 2 and I just woke up. It's around 9 a.m. and I'm going to have my breakfast and I'm going to take you guys with me. So come along. So this is the outfit for the day. It's just like a floral dress. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but you can hear me, that's good. Yeah, so I'm just here and it's just a peaceful vibe and holiday. So that's why I'm staying. Right now is the gate to the beach. For this particular hotel, it's called Crystal Bay Watamu. It's peaceful, the sun is bright as you can see. It's just such Hey, so guys, today is on a Sunday and there's nothing much to do because many areas are closed, and yeah, take a swim and then later go to a place called Crab Shack and then have some dinner there. I don't know where the lighting is. Anyway, yeah, so we'll see. 2 and I really did not do much. I just had I've been swimming. I went for a walk at the beach. I went for snorkeling. It's awesome. And then I swam like 3 times today. So I am from swimming again. As you can see, this is my costume for today, and I am about to go shower, change, and then go for dinner. Grab something. It's like a good restaurant for seafood. Yeah, so a very beautiful mirror that I have been misusing, and this is the mirror. So come with me as we go and prepare to go for dinner. So I came in during the sunset, and the place is known for good food. Lakini, I'm sorry about the lighting, yeah? So I walk in.
It's okay.
Okay. So I walk in, I go have my seat, and then we have these white people who walk in after me. So guess what happens? They attend to the white guys, and then I am left there wondering. I'm like, okay, maybe they'll come later. I waited 20 minutes and nothing happened. So I'm mad. I haven't even had my meal, so I am just walking away from the craziness of this place. So that is my honest review about this place. So if you want to come to Watamu, you can come. Maybe it wasn't a good day for me, and it might be a good one for you. So see you. I'm going to Pilipan to have my dinner, and then I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, what's up you guys? So this is the end of day 2. The sunset was amazing. It was amazing. So yeah, I had my dinner at Pilipan, and it is amazing. I love the food. My friend took me there, and hey, yo, friend of mine, thank you so much. I love Pilipan. Their food and service is top notch. I'd advise you guys, if you come to Watamu, please look for Pilipan restaurant. It's on your ways to Hemingway's, Watamu, and Medina Palms. That side, and you get your Pilipan. I just came back. I want to basically do my nighttime routine again, sleep, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh yeah, and my skin is glowing. You guys, are you seeing my skin? I have no makeup at all.